When you come, bring the cloak that I left with Carpus at Troas, and my scrolls, especially the parchments. 2 Timothy 4:13.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Sent with Care was written by Lisa M. Samra and read by Rochelle Traub.
2 Timothy chapter 4, verses 9 through 13. Do your best to come to me quickly, for Demas, because he loved this world, has deserted me and has gone to Thessalonica. Crescens has gone to Galatia, and Titus to Dalmatia. Only Luke is with me. Get Mark and bring him with you, because he is helpful to me in my ministry. I sent Tychicus to Ephesus. When you come, bring the cloak that I left with Carpus at Troas, and my scrolls, especially the parchments. Sent with Care, written by Lisa M. Samra. I recently learned that the name Care Package came from the acronym for Cooperative for American Remittances to Europe, a group that sent boxes of food to help Europeans displaced during World War II. While the care packages I send my kids at college are mostly filled with homemade treats and candy, they usually include a few practical items, a favorite shirt forgotten at home, or extra school supplies. While the name Care Package may be modern, the practice of sending helpful items is far older. It's even tucked away at the end of 2 Timothy. Writing while imprisoned in Rome, Paul concluded his letter to his trusted disciple with some personal requests. He asked that Timothy come and bring Mark to help him. Then he requested some personal items, his cloak and his scrolls, especially the parchments. Perhaps the cloak was needed because winter was coming, and maybe the scrolls contained copies of the Old Testament. Whatever the reason, Paul longed for companionship and practical items to refresh and encourage him. Tangible reminders of care, whether the recipient lives near or far, can have a significant impact on someone in need of a little encouragement. The gift of a meal for a neighbor, a thoughtful card written to a loved one or acquaintance, or a package full of goodies sent to a faraway friend can extend God's love in practical ways. Let's pray. Lord, help us to show your love through small, tangible acts of care that can encourage and refresh those around us. May the gifts that we give them, near or far, reflect your heart and bring hope to those in need. Thank you, Father. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. When did you receive a reminder of God's love? How did that kindness encourage you?
Batoka treterel omredel, ngaringi omredel logi wa arol, omredel logi wa sukang, omredel logi wa asenkyo. Aikal rogui, el treterel omredel logi wa sukang, masenkyo, arogui lulir tertirarubag. Kadomestra a Biblia, el girel omredel, la romans ra trum edel klol biongel, ra gotten mor edel gegarel bads. Nkmulk mo. Arbekklaad, agirin mol ngasengs raklisi ngar omredel. Lemdiak omredel, diak loa ka Dios. Leger rogui, ngaringi omredel, amadal mara Dios. Mengigel tok omredel, a tok ralulter ka klia Dios. Mengigel tok a dingilo uir, akaragarin morngi. Ler mga daredel, a diak tagudel, albedul amru la ungil. Tabaik tagudel, albedul amru la maknit. Kau ring malakabomatak taraklisi ra omredel alawai say engungil morula ungil malodang asaw kakmal maral masaul ablol sa emrong ositi albat sa Biblia el girir al marredel lo dolil tartir malog arogyo asyuka ar marredel el madalm lo gyo asyuka masenkyo arogui lo akarubak ndiak omredel ndiak lo gyo arubak al korararngum e vimodngei arubak amalut e malil tramomredel rabelu lo gyo asyuka Masenkyo. Umsulang.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Subdragodal. Tia subdragodal or todrinya tulik Alfonso Diaz, mother darar garayngir orala, romaligu el sawas, oligong debdev mongami, mamadara abab eli mesay, المسوبدربك لدمام رباب الضواب موريور مؤذل بارن الرويق الهيري تماي لم نسمع رتروي ميلون مقبسين لغة البويل جانواري 16 2026 مقامل ديلين لم نمطرقوق المورنين اللوي مئي الغبسين لغة البويل جانواري 28 2026 ومقامل ديلا سانتوس فيونرال هوم ان شابل المسويل بإمام ذاقر وذسون رسادوين غرابلون مرميد Magim subdrarwek la damam rababal daw morior mamoyti tal sangmiyo may dalim idang sirti albula. Mga lalong agim subdari adrairik el pastor Albert Maldangsang rubas subdiang umaday chigor yungula maerika Emmanuel mo subdra ad manangal gemay dalim idang sew. Ngaradra blara ngarado kaya agim subdra garay madilbugda ikriget raidis el choraklay sabinater mete ta selling raklay Philip raklay marangalgelang ngireng ramota Ratakriw Salvador ramota Helen ramota legislator saburo ramota mo subdra ad marangal gemay dalim idang sew. Narmida gim subdra rayungol Benjamin Yob ama ebil rayungol Dr. Blay Otobda abas Paul Uegi ma ebil abas Patildes Kiomasa mo subdra ad marangal grawal gayuk la emem dalim idang sew. Matpabrang raswal agim subdra adal bar raswal Harry Fritz marimu dominigang oriakla mo subdra adad marangal karat matpabe meim dalim medang sew ngar amar ablar oglang agim subdol ngitra ob adr old abrdong mo badal dil el di troli mo subdra adad marangal karoglang meim dalim medang sew ayebego lagim subdra rangim Sebastian Andreas ma odlad agim Anderson mo subdra adad marangal ge meim dalim medang sew Mangribugol ngarbeed agim subdol ngitra li adribugol kioni sal mabekal dil goyeb lelay Anastasio mo subdra adad marangal ngaribugol meim dalim medang sew o si siul subdra godal la monablar aklar ang rusar rayray lolngitem subdra galtur mel running ira aryang mama asal ebi raklay modet Paules mo subdra adad marangal raklay meim dalim medang sew Imelig rablara angar madngir aleuy agim subdra gar blud marinor sengala ebil hermana umetaro mala albelu bsel giulul qatsumi erung le delegat Warren umetaro mo subdra adad marangal garangar madngir emeim dalim daging sew togobet se subdra godal la morablar ang rubid rangarmid magim subdra ang ligam leod al adha beng dililaw raramligu el sawas masendis awas ulangong madira mid erena sebalta mo subdra ngal gemeim dalim daging sew Ngalgilam le diraw elngel almda debel bot ratina debel bot o erwar diraw elngel lo saw debel bot o dawl mosub rangal ge meim alim daging sew ngalgilam le od al mo girong osi grawili osi ma Valentin osi ge meim alim daging sew ngalgilam le od al mergi mo ngamira oligong debdeb mo ngami dorin onglong la tio erlik mam puik mala albelu leli mo ngami mgas pasuba de meim alim daging sew Rangalgilam ni abas yob ililaw rabuik abas eliayob mosub raru ulim marudam emim dalim daging sew. Rangalgilam ni oligong ora alililaw ramadar darar qaray ora tulik Alfonso Diaz motol Albert mabani quito moskas pasub de mem dalim daging sew. Rangalgilam ni ramlig rumong ililaw rardialul rumong mawarang rumong mgas pasub de mem dalim daging sew. Rangalgelam le dildingelius ongro la yalap, radildingelius brings adalbay, de la yalap, linda iyar, makris yalap, angkas pasub de meim da alim da kaingisew. Rangalgela diul uboy mga subu ayalap, radirairung doktor dinrungul la sualadab, sa alyang da Maruk yalap, Pastor Balgusan Dario, Mary Lou Santos, Cloldil Singeo, Makean yalap, mosub darad marangal ke meim da alim da kaingisew. Rangalgelam le dingelius merep, ruang rageori merep, Kenneth merep, ma may ngirambur makas pasub de meim da alim da kaingisew. Rangalgelam le olul Dr. Roy Singang yalap, Radirbay Salome yalap Kirk, Olsing yalap, Yong yalap, yalap, Manoe yalap, ungas pasub de lo ade meim da alim da kaingisew. Rangalgelam le ebiray balaw Ross ngirturong, Raralul Tarong Elis, Wadalas tutong ngiralmaw, Madras Kelsol Darius Elis, ma ebiray balaw Anita Edwards, ungas pasub de meim da alim da kaingisew. Rangalgelam le remaliger irik ltia ramonigar irik la Cyril Fusimi, ma Minister Steven Victor, ungas pasub de meim da alim da kaingisew. Klemotela sub da ulma blolakal matong klem, yagik malolangit mo subes e meim da alim da kaingisew. Komal masulang yerbak Dios lumkal tanga tergidroguy. Sain natulik Alfonso Diaz, mother drar garay inora la ramli els awas, oligong debdeb kumangami, ma mother abab eli mesay. Tiasub dra kamali loltob dengar mong songray mariur, wer awar Ramon Rabay, Spis Valentino ngirikiklang, keltngur Rabay uduy umang, Badul o kadat itong marabu o Celestino Malsol, alkmotargidra Harry Temal, ang algilat Temal, ngir oral, idilaw, amlos me ria badangil ang aramor ka, emlamot rook lang amaldilel morngir ang edel urior, aluy meel kapsingil el al kotalbuila. Wednesday, January 28, 2026, aldi morngir a Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, ranayin dori ra tutal moswelba, emo madak rangarmid. Magim subdrarbek dad marangal karakabli dadalokong, mamayim dali midakang isir tel albulo. Magim subdrar adumam rabek kalbelu, maolay mga along agim subdra hatsko sato marbibirgaw, Eriga Emmanuel marngaligem, diramtawil talat madrangar marbibirgaw, sabrong la ay Raymond marbibirgaw, Ruat Paulina Iskang marbibirgaw, Maria Asuncion de Seloywil marbibirgaw, Denisha Mariur Ubaday marbibirgaw, Adalbair Abdul el Baudista sato, Maat Temo, diregal masubdra tetching it sato, Sadaoriung may adrading Abraham Osima, Mosubdra Rablay ur rang marngalgela marao gaklaw mangrar da kim subdra ngalgela malsol optulia malsol mosubdra bibirgaw ma Valentina adsom marngalga agidrigal mosubdra hana ingay sa manahan mosubdra bibirgaw dirigal mosubdra Basilia Temail wirngos dirigal mosubdra ngalgela si ayangala mrilang makas pusubdra meim da kaing sirtil albula niwala kim subdra harugong inam kati Pablo Tumol elendir inam kati Wanda Entimarong Linda en Melaitaw ma Valeria Entelay malgayo kay nga iguko okotol, mangarbay bo isek telay, mosubdra adad marangalga. Ngisaragim subdra kamrekal sa karyas yang aldem, kami Nordwen Hideo, Dr. Che Lingan, Dominic de Marcel, Umi Jeffrey Antol, Inariang Ilaybay, Gracia Leonardo, Rutung Elisa Watanabe, Norma Etibek, ma Emilda Adalbay. Agidrigal msubdra at nga si Crisong Saito, mosubdra bibirngaw marangalga, dirigal msubdra abakar mausid ni Echi marbibirngaw. Ayray agim subdra alun kningang mates, Buix Peace Sherman Daniel, Wadal Esel Takakurulod, Siego Daniel, Paulinar Mangsaw, mosubdra bekladad marangal gratulungal grasel, agidrigal msubdra ebiras mosongal martayat, madiremeu ani Maria Deo, mosubdra adad marangalgel agitang, marangalgel adiraibu, marangalgel eungel, marangalgel omtilaw, agidrigal msubdra ira aligisasa, mosubdra adad raongal graigisasa. Agidrigal msubdra ya ort koil ma ebirairik sadari adalbay mosubdra ngalgelang iroit marngalgel etumlew marngalgel ablelas marngalgel itpang oriora gem subdra odalat maura cordon siskas ngabaw marngalgem raudu sangabaw senior mamaineng sangabaw marngalgel amnedirarur adilub arabay radirarur nglod arabay ngirengas matargora bernis arabay marbibir kamiu marngalga ragalgel ako ni ko igang Marcel Ramarta Marcel marbibirgaw ebirarois mihainat Marcel Godep marbibirgaw galgela si mako wali rasisinya ueda marbibirgaw Mercy Mariur Bitlawal marbibirgaw Lili Oilo o marbibirgaw Damiana en ngirat aboet marbibirgaw Julia Oip marbibirgaw Daria Abril Mateo Lool marbibirgaw Ulang the May marbibirgaw galgela beng das awas ra awad al sendis awas Lazarus maramaligu els awas marbibirgami marangalga marangalgelam le odal ad margi mongami ra oligong debdeb mongami madorin emongulung marbibirgami marangalga galgela mogirong osigra wili osig galgela yob ililaw rabuik abas eliayob marbibirgaw marangalga galgelangir ora lililaw ratulik Alfonso Diaz makarangir ola marbibirgami Rangalgela rumong ililaw rardialul rumong marbibirgaw. Rangalgela amda aldebelbot ra losaw odawal makarlias siyang sadang maklin siyang. Maria Basilius Agitaya, ngayaw na ruwo, umay na ruwo, Marilyn Basilius, Ubay Basilius Isida, Cleo Basilius, Susan Ngilausuy, Pascuana Belesam marbibirgaw, Malixis Cabe Songtkel, Marigo Tomas marbibirgaw marangal, Domin Mistru Tomei marbibirgaw, Benita Msubda, Hosiana Rungulbay, Deborah Msubda, Ngilat Ngerhiop Msubda, Matthew Msubda, April Msubda, Fred Sangabaw Maumi Sangabaw Maruliw, Sukurat Sabal marbibirgaw, Wilson Ngilausuy marbibirgaw, Saturnino Tewid marbibirgaw, Dennis Oilo gaw marulda, Reynold Oilo maruliw, Chan Gabo, Felix Olgaril Minor marbibirgaw, Rangalgela Olgaril, Billy Naruo, Bruce Ngirkutling, Spis Cordon, Isaw Sato, Yusim Sato, Valent Oigang, Chengins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Samuel Desel, Silverius Pesong, Benito Thomas marbibirgaw marangalga, Henry Belesam maruulem, agidiri kalmsud rangalgela rigrig spis, marangalgela damay meledang tamol, marangalgela brel me evil, Kabim labas ang kliw mosud rabibir kamiw maradad marangal gemeim da kanya seur tel kamaldil. Tirkel adad mladi al madong clear tial sub da mosu bes edipo madangi gemeim da kaswes eda kanya seur tel kamaldil. Tirkel adad mladi al sabil mortel kamaldil a sabil ding maulung sutrir al mamsar mga songray mariur maluub ang wadalad maura gordon. Kumal msulang saen er mga songray mariur. Tia subdra godal el todringan komisik iged de shalom et pisong matulik Alfonso Díaz ma madre darar qarayngir oral el msubdra ngligela ipasang el maigasila el matar gidra adal bayu elek heri tema el ngligela tema el ngir oral amlo smer sera January 16 2026 Abatangil ngal adang ara morgem la motrok la maldilel morgina January 28 2026 el ngi ongedel urior el di morgina Palauan Funeral Home magiol ngi tergamil da mam mong tang loiti tal sangmiu emertial madum la madung silsa da ali mi da gang seu mangarmi da kim subur gamil Davis tam treng usya potanabe ebil tulik Edith Devilbot ngalom sa France Marcela tam treng motor remote tabani miong quito Beverly miong sandario Richard Rulug na Michael Temael Singeo France Serek France madrigal tugobet sil subda mar alula targong Elis wadlat tuto ngilalmaw ebiray balaw Anita Edward madiba Elis madras kalsol Darius Elis magay Elis masariang adalbay Warswick mkas pasubda may nakaingisew Karkaswal lagim subda Rosania Takawo, Valeria Abril, Lynn Alonso, Darlene Takawo, Paul Takawo, Rangsul Brel, Chamila Brel, Grace Brel, Kadwin Brel, Fidias Brel, Kaylin Brel, Charles Brel, Adriagalo Sisul subda Mora Lilian Marcil, Ananias Toribiyong, Kent Moore. Codines Ngilti, Franz Ngilti, Blorang Ngilti, Franny Ngilti Oitrong, Mosubda Rebek Kladad, Emei Nakaingisew. Madriagalo Sisul subda Mora Evangeline Ngireol Asanuma. Ngarbata lagim subdra kamil Josefa Malsol, diraday sets ko ngiraingas, wadal adimu Malsol, talbadal baulong, Alfonsa Bleso, Merlin Malson Rirey, Miriam Ewatal, Apollonia Ngireol, Chinet Malsol Ngirayungul, Anchingirayas Humio, Maylin Ngirio Gabriel, Wendy Baulong, Kimberly Gintaro Damay, Metiek Kimie Ngireol Sumor, Dayan Ngireol, Alfonso Ngirungay, Marep Ngiralmaw, Sisinio Hideo, Urmak Ngiralmaw, Charlie Ngiralmaw, Maoche Brel. Dirikal Msubdra Kaulius Kogentaro, Susan Desmang, Lucy Desmang, Stevie Desmang, Benedict Desmang, Dai Wolf Kentaro, Lin Marep, Mamarep Ngirbotreng. Adrigal Subdal Mora Anabel Harias, Ngatwat Ngiraibab, Onguk Ngiraibab, Yasko Ngiraibab, Beli Ngiraibab, Mkas Pasubdal Odos, Yamim Nakaingisew. Madrigal Sisilsu Damara Naimi et Pisong Yop, Rosemary et Pisong Inatrerde, Kesia et Pisong Nicolescu, Jemima et Pisong Finnegan, Dirasnges Karen et Pisong Maidasil, Carol et Pisong Telay, Tafok et Pisong, Skras et Pisong, Mangalel et Pisong, et Momkas Pasubdalo Adamir Telm Lamadong Sil, Semel Seu. Marveda kim subdragal dirat aboet Laverne Merep ma Serang Antonio, Remeldil Singewo, Ngotel Wehara ma Idrir Wehara. Miyon sa kim subdra kami libu Toymochi, Ulay Tomoichi ma Edwin Tomoichi, Mgas pasubdalo adamin na kaingisew, eda alimirtel elbula. Madakumal msulang yaribakal Dios la makaltang atargidrokuy, et yang aspadel langis sura kamaldilel, adal bayulek, Harry Temal, langlila Temal ngir oral, al morgina January 28, 2026, al ngi ungedel urior, al di morgina Palauan Funeral Home. Saay na rakamsik, iget shalom et pisong, tulig Alfonso Díaz, mamadar darar karay ngir oral. Tia subdra godalo el tobdringa hokons Paules, ngiri etet nobertiano, el Felix Minor, mudlong Salvador Talams, Romaniano, Ramarang Charlie Genti, el msubdra rogul daqawad el pumapatigra rangudra Harry Temael, ngalgila diliaw rari irik el Temael, am los mers la January 16, 2026, em la motorgok la gamal dilel moringira January 28, 2026, el Wednesday di moringira Palau Funeral Home, rangat kibrairai. Malway segim subdra adamam magim gawqabli regal bekal belul gidel tilgamal dil maqot ya orior ya tobat padama moray bedul mabilung Gloria Sali rabla raidid mo subdra ngal gemeim da ali mertel albul dirigal subdra ayungul meibir ayungul meim da ali dirigal spadala adamam rasiaw meim da kaing seurtel albul adamam rabla raibay meim da alim adamam ra ngarmangyaw mo subdra ngal gemeim da ali da kaing seu adamam ra ngaripkal mo subdra admarngal gemeim da alim adamam ra omrong la meim da alim da kaing seu atoko betis pedelang ri etet no bertiano amoran ngal karamatura yolngi tergal ngi ramatur milan isak ma ebiratu bal elen eungel ngas pesub da meim da alim da kaing seu agidri kam subdra ngal gelam negirai gelaus kasang rangal gela Silves Alonso rangal gela losi ulangong marangal gela tagi ise mo subdra admarngal ge meim da kaing seu arangal gela madalarang raningil madalarang ma Dr. Isaw Mokol mo subdra ngal gemeim da kaing seurtier albula arangal gelang ira alwol rasabet pairs ngira matur milan isak minister Gustav Aitaro mo subdra bebir kami umarangal gemeim da alim da kaing seurtier albula dili kam subdra ngal gelat mga isang ralili ludong marangal gelak kiasang at tultul rawad al adulay tultul makas pesubdra ademeim da alim seurtier albula agidri kam subdra ngal gelang ira awes yolingita meim da alim seurtier albula rangal gela dira idra modulong Salvador Talam sa mo subdra ngal gemeim da kaing seu rangal gela barbrang rang etet no bertiano migo Graciano Romaniano mangal gelam det migo Katarina Katosang Ramario Katosang mo subdra ad marangal ka emeim da kaing seu rangal gelam lengiray gelaw Toru Talam sa Linda Talam sa mo subdra bibir ngaw emeim da kaing seu diri kas padala rangal gelam det migo lamang Ramoni Gari Irikla Ramarang Charlie Genti Minister Stephen Victor Michael Temay na masubdra ad marangal gemeim da kaing seurti albula agidri kam subdra rangal gelang ngarwang la rawad la at kubari ngiray gelaw mo subdra rangal gelam lengri etet agiwo marbekal ad marangal gemeim da alim berti albula kidiri kam subdra rangal gelam le miray Lucy Orugma Bibian Ulangong Rivera Adalbay Isabong Rivera Kwal Ngiriam Ringang Kigo Brel Kiota Mamotol Brel Andres mo subdra bekal ad emeim da alim da kaing seurti albula agidiri kam subdra rangal gela boysek Rasela Sakuma mo subdra rangal gemeim da alim da kaing seu diri kas padala rangal gelam le miray ngasangaw la radeliget elender ngilam kati mawanda entimarong mo subdra bebir kamiu emeim da kaing seurti albula rangal gela taring Baules la Senate President Tokons Baules madilwang amra Baules mugas pasubat emeim da kaing seu arangal gela rokoy ra odal ad modestang rasway ma ini mo subdra ad marangal gemeim da kaing seurti albula arangal gela adar goroy Ramelin mauri adar goroy mo subdra rangal gemeim da kaing seu arangal gela dalbir tagyul ngit meim da alimberti albula rangal gela humiye gibon sam kaspusub de meim da kaing seu rangal gela sokok olqril ra Carlo Madelisa mo kaspusub de meim da alim arangal gela to wa olqril aidin olqril mauri olqril ubdey mem kaspusub de meim da kaing seu arangal gela diraing lay Raul Felix Minor ma estad meim mo subdra ad meim da kaing seu ti albula diri kas padala rangal gela orengs ra Benito orengs sa mo subdra rangal gemeim da alim maralong ings padala ad mam rabla ra uqal la yulngit meim da alim tel albula maradeng spadala rangal garong alagal raol beim da alim da kaing seu karam lenguing spadala ad mam rong rol beim da alim da kaing seu diri kas padala ngida dilub at tamir mga South Junior mo subdra ad marangal gemeim da kaing seu ay meligeng spadala ad mam ra el qayuk la meim da alim da kaing seu ngiasareng spadala ad mam ra ibulu meim da alim da kaing seu Peliliwa kim subdra ad mam rang atap meim da kaing seu ad mam rang ad lolo meim da kaing seu diri kalam subdra ad mam ram daliwal ma umisal bang rangas kasuk meim da alim da kaing seu madakom mal masulang egi mal mingir kamiu ad mam marar baby ramam meim da alim mertial mam ulbong sunglat targid ra Harry Temay el dimorngir of funeral home rangat kibrairai rawen still January 28 2026 arubak kal Dios lolomon lobangge de lomakal tanga targid roguy sa na ngiri etet no bertiano
tial subdel mulla rengasringi adiagal spedel ma diagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul topderngi e haraorngi ko mal mesulang
Kadebel subdel hamaldil ti kadebel subdel topderngi dialul alons kyota irabo Andres Madraisaw rabal tagewo ngirmagur ngiriklang lomisang ngirmakur, ya rabikal beluer the ort koil, yadar amay el yayob, el ramdor mel the may obak, mangirawaw Chesi Joseph, el morarbek el admam el gire la godela oligong sinesio Augustin, el ngalgelamle wodal ad baudong yao, el nosme el sera January 19, 2026, Monday, madibo madingil bekel ad, edongi rakamang te gumaka el sub del motuab daruriulo, kompmal masaula. Kadebel subda rakodal leloltob den ngangil ete Norbert H. Yano, ngira ite Dr. Victor M. Yano, Senator Hocons Paules, Obadio Siyugi Sungino, Madralmi Mario Katosang, Ubay Matthew Rudim, Mudlong Salvador Telams, Ngirailals Sixtus Paloy, El Morarowil Adrir, El Oaiser Tiras Relatargi Dragoreti Milong, El Mosme Ersera January 1st, 2026, Mabadangilangara Palau Mortuary, Em Lamotrokol Motuab Dra 6:30 a.m. Ra February 6, 2026, El Mora Sacred Heart Church, Emo Umang Meldira Santos Borja Funeral Home, etuabdra 12:30 p.m. El Momdak Rabiong El Rabelura Oigul. Malwaise agim sub de olngitara rogul adamam, el kmomongot mokrogmi will girel selsil seram asang. Am gamangal sub the adi motuab the ruriula. Signed, ngir etet Norbert H. Yano, ngira ite Dr. Victor Yano.
Notice regarding land known as Uelbadel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palilu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 032R17, as shown on cadastral plat number 032R00. Notice is hereby given that the children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Yasko Rudim who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than February 13, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Su del girela utumen klela uelvedel, el ngarangasias rablurablilio, el gadastral lat number 032R17, Asubda Morabuel Kma children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, am naruli until met moltob the certificate of title girel tiam namsadra babel utuma, el Mora Palau National Government. Ababier el girel teloy de la utuma, land conveyance agreement, ang aringir obisra len gortel sebela ngidil adel mo omesringi. Al tsum mangaryang al gela Yasko Rudim, el soalom tokor teloy de la utuma, ekmal girel file or tangel el mor obisra len gortel, diabol meudra February 13, 2026. Level Meuder Tial Time en Sabel Selul Tangel Modigalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali ngariya malor udu subde de gatemem el mera radio station mada gulngit wa may gin masukaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya a cell phone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk ngomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esen ringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub ke sendringi loya ka email en mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recordringi erulia invoice e sendringi le porkau e auriul ega meharau ali malya moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba nganya harma raspedem e aki call seguir the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko man sulang.
Mabuhay Palau! Your next adventure awaits as Philippine Airlines now flies direct from Palau to Manila. Experience the hustle and bustle of the Philippine city life right in the heart of Manila. Your next getaway now awaits. Flights take off this March 29, 2026. Enjoy heartfelt service with our signature care that comes from the heart. Book your flights now at philippineairlines.com.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, sine. What do you mean, oi, sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
A productive conversation. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. That's how the Minneapolis mayor describes a meeting with border czar Tom Homan, who's now in Minnesota and also met with the governor. President Trump sending Homan there after a second deadly incident involving federal agents. Reporters asking the president if he believes last weekend's shooting of Alex Preddy was justified. He points to the investigation.
I'm going to be watching over it. I want a very honorable and honest investigation. I have to see it myself.
Also calling what happened a sad situation, Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Fry says he made clear to Homan the city will not enforce federal immigration laws. The administration has argued fewer federal agents would be needed on the ground with cooperation from state and local law enforcement. There's been a shooting involving Border Patrol and a suspect near the Mexican border in Arizona. One person in critical condition. The FBI says it's investigating an alleged assault on a federal officer. President Trump is now in Iowa.
You know, I'm going around, and I'm going around because hopefully we win the midterms.
Beginning weekly trips aimed at heading off typical midterm losses for the party in power.
It's very scary because, like, it's 2 out of 50 years or something like that.
That's right.
For some reason, when a president wins, Republican or Democrat, even if they're a good president.
The president stopping at a restaurant before giving a speech soon outside Des Moines. Consumer confidence sinking to its lowest level since 2014 in the Conference Board's index.
Consumers' short-term future expectations for their income, business conditions, and the job market are lower, and they're less likely to say jobs are plentiful and easy to get. Republicans and Democrats both expressed lower consumer confidence than last month. The biggest drop is among independents.
Fox's Chris Foster. A mixed day on Wall Street. The Dow dropping 409 points at the bell, but new highs for the S&P. America is listening to Fox News. Three brothers from Miami are on trial in New York over sex trafficking allegations.
Federal prosecutors in Manhattan say real estate agents Tal and Orrin Alexander, along with their brother Alon, would meet women at bars, clubs, or online, lure them to various destinations with the promise of luxury accommodations before assaulting them. But charges go beyond assault and rape to include engaging in a sex trafficking conspiracy. Attorneys for the brothers argue the government is prosecuting consensual acts and that they are overcharging by alleging trafficking. Aside from the charges, lawsuits have been filed by more than 20 women alleging they were assaulted by the brothers, and prosecutors say some of their violence even dates back to acts committed in high school in Miami. Jessica Rosenthal, Fox News.
Two governors are sounding off on the White House holding up funding for a major transportation project.
New Jersey Democratic Governor Mikey Sherrill is saying the economies of her state and New York will suffer if the Gateway Tunnel project isn't funded. In a statement, she called the president's holdup of the money illegal. President Trump, as the government shutdown began last October, declared the project terminated and pulled back the $16 billion for it. Work that has continued on the tunnels could stop as early as next week if the money isn't restored. New York Democratic Governor Kathy Hochul added in her own statement that jobs and economic benefits lost seem to be only collateral damage to the president.
Fox's Gernal Scott. The Buffalo Bills have a new head coach, promoting offensive coordinator Joe Brady.
Since Brady became offensive coordinator in November of 2023, the Bills posted the best regular season record in the NFL, 31-10. In the same time frame, Buffalo has scored the second most points. And this year, the Bills were tied with the Rams for the most games with at least 30 points.
Fox's Jared Max. 3 NFL teams still have a head coaching vacancy: the Raiders, Browns, and Cardinals. Again, the Dow finishes in the red, but the S&P with a new record. Elisa Brady, Fox News.